Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So I am back again for a weekly performance review. This is for the 4th August. So where I've taken our trading journal is from our website, Watanabe In. If you just go to Watanabe Trading Journal, you'll find the journal right here. And if you click on this, it will take you to our Excel sheet where you can make a copy. I've already made a copy for this. So this is our 4th August review. So for the week, we are up 8.9%, while Nifty is up only 2.7. So for the financial year, we're up 34.6%, while Nifty is still recovering, that is at 0.5. So for the number of trades that we have taken is 22, and winning trades is 15. So we stand at 68%. So for this week, we have made around 17,113. But overall, for this financial year, we are up about 68,000. And in the week, in the cash market, we are finally positive. For last week, we were up around 4,900. And for the financial year, we are up 2,071. So the number of trades till now that we have taken is 435, among which our winnings is at winning the number of trades at 277. So our winning percentage for the entire year stands at 63.7. So if we are wondering how much we are up in August month, we are up around 8.9%. So coming on to beta, so we stand at 0.75 and our alpha is at 1.86. And our Sharpe ratio, which we were aiming, was around 2, and we are very close and we're inching towards it. And we're hoping that couple of weeks we achieve that. And our R square stands at 6%. So guys, this was all about what happened last week. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you again next week for another performance review. Have a good day.